Framer. The term framer can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Here are two common interpretations. 1. Framer as a noun. In this sense, a framer refers to someone who constructs or builds frames. This could be in the literal sense, such as a carpenter who builds frames for houses or furniture. It can also be used metaphorically to describe someone who creates a structure or framework for something. Here are a few examples. The carpenter is a skilled framer who can build sturdy and beautiful frames for artwork. The architect acted as the framer of the city's master plan, providing the framework for future development. The teacher served as the framer of the curriculum, outlining the topics and objectives for the school year. 2. Framer as a verb. As a verb, to frame means to create or construct something, often with a specific purpose or intention. In this case, the term framer can be used to describe someone who engages in the act of framing. Here are a few examples. The artist skillfully framed her painting, enhancing its beauty and drawing attention to the artwork. The journalist framed the story in a way that highlighted the positive aspects of the situation. The speaker framed her argument persuasively, presenting evidence and examples to support her claims. It's important to note that the term framer can have other meanings in different contexts, such as someone who frames pictures or someone who is involved in framing a person for a crime. The meaning of the term will depend on the specific context in which it is used.